Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE A53 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all features you don't need right now. So if you're using mobile data, disable the Wi-Fi. If you don't use Bluetooth, disable it. Disable flashlight, disable location services, disable nearby share, and the hotspot too. And cool, so what we can do on the next step we need to reduce the screen brightness. I can't do it because you will see nothing on my screen, but you need to reduce the screen brightness. And the next step you can follow is to open the battery in settings, and here, as you can see, in normal mode my smartphone will leave 13 hours and 55 minutes, but in the power saving mode my smartphone will leave on the 1 hour and 30 minutes longer, as you can see. But we can enable the ultra battery saving mode. In this mode our device will leave 2 days, guys. So only using the super power saving mode. Of course, in this mode you can't use all applications, you can use only 6 apps, but you can please, in this mode don't use games or YouTube or TikTok, because it will make this mode useless. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.